Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two mental health and wellness platforms, Liven Apps and Headspace in 2025. Both of them promise better well-being, but they take different paths to get there. Which one is right for you? Because we both know that health is wealth. So as you chase after wealth, you should also ensure your health is good. So let's break it down for you to see if it's a Liven App you should download or Headspace. Now, let's look at their main focus. Liven App focuses on AI-powered mental health support, while Headspace focuses on meditation and mindfulness training. We look at ease of use. Liven App uses a chat-based AI wellness coach, while Headspace uses guided sessions, courses, and app navigation. We look at their AI strengths. Liven App has personalized mood tracking and stress check-ins, while Headspace has science-backed meditation, sleep, and focus tools. We look at the price. Liven Apps has a free plan plus affordable premium plans, while Headspace has subscription-based plans and premium pricing. We look at what they're best for or who they're best for. Liven App is best for young professionals and for daily stress relief, while Headspace is best for meditation, learners, and wellness seekers. Lastly, output style. Liven App gives you conversations, check-ins, and tailored advice, while Headspace gives you guided meditations, calming audios, and videos. Liven App is like a supportive AI buddy, checking in with you, tracking your moods, and giving stress-busting advice. Headspace, on the other hand, is like your mindfulness teacher, guiding you through meditation, sleep improvements, and focus exercises. So if you're after daily mental health support and AI-driven check-ins, go with Liven App. But if you want proven meditations and mindfulness practices, then Headspace is a classic choice. Which one would you try? Liven App or Headspace? Comment below, smash the like button, and subscribe for more smart comparisons here on Twoguysfinance.